In this video, we will be doing all the recap of all the elements that we added and customizations with the CSS. So let's get started. So let me remove all that we have added and let's try to import. For example, this is something that I already created. Let me import this. Now you can see we have changed many things, like the background has been changed, the text color has been changed, the text color also it has something called animation. You can see the mouse cursor has been changed, the colors are different, the position has been changed, and you can also see the shadow, and this is an animation. So let's save it and refresh. So if this is the only page, this is a single page, for example, this is all the features have been added to single page. It means that only this page is customized. If you click on other page or any other blog post, you can see the page is simple like it was present before, and if you again go to the home page, this will look different. So let's add this all the properties to all the pages. So simply copy all the properties that you have added in the single page to the global page. Now if you refresh it, then now if you go to any other page, you can see the changes are present in all pages. Save and refresh. Okay, as you can see, this is a different blog post, and you can see all the properties like header, footer, and other has been added to this blog also. This page and the home page looks very similar now. Thank you.